Hey there! Today we're going to tackle an interesting problem concerning TypeScript. The issue at hand revolves around creating a clear mapping of available parameters for different types of transactional emails. This mapping is crucial for non-engineers working on transactional emails in HubSpot to know which custom properties they can use for each email type. Now let's delve into the solution. By transforming the payload interfaces into classes and employing a clever trick, we can achieve our goal. By crafting classes like base lesson payload, reminder payload, and follow-up payload, we can extract the keys of each class instance. Additionally, we can create an email template parameters class to represent the different email types and their corresponding parameters. By utilizing object.keys and object.entries, we can generate a mapping of available parameters for each email type. This approach ensures clarity and ease of use for those working on transactional emails. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of mapping available parameters for different email types in TypeScript. By leveraging classes and object manipulation, we've created a straightforward solution that enhances clarity for email template creators. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. See you next time.